So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because this video is actually sponsored by Ashley Homestore. Yes, we are collabing yet again, but in this collaboration we're gonna be working in two spaces. I am just like so excited. So the first area is my son's room, which is my youngest one. I'm gonna be doing some stuff. I'm pulling all that furniture out and getting new things to put in there, and I'm like really excited. I have been waiting on this for months and now it's finally coming together. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys his room before, so that way you have an idea of what it looks like. And the second area is the family room. So if you guys were here last year for my collab with Ashley Homestore, you know that I went shopping and I found some amazing pieces. So I'm going to share that footage with you guys. Hi, how are you? I'm Nadia.
How are you today?
I'm
My name
good.
is Kim. Are you looking for something particular
I
today?
am. I'm meeting up with Trevin, so I'm just gonna look around the store.
Okay, let me page Trevin.
So I've gone over about 3 different options in my mind. I thought about doing a sofa and then like 2 chairs. I thought about doing like 2 sofas. I thought about doing quite a bit of things, but I really do love a section. It just gives like this you have nowhere else to sit but sit next to me type of feel. So I do like that, especially with the family room. I want us to be able to like cuddle up on the sofa to watch movies and stuff. But I think by now that you guys know what my style is and know what I like. So comment down below if you think I went with option 1, 2, or 3, and let's see who gets right in the reveal. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my son's room and also the family room. That way you have an idea of what the area looks like currently. So right now I'm standing in the doorway of my son's room, and here's the sofa, here's the bed, and here's the dresser. Everything is gonna come out this room, including the items on the wall minus his name right there. I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to do any window treatments because he's 5 and I just don't want him pulling or tugging, which is the issue that we had in our previous house. But I just want to show you guys a quick before, and again I am going to show you guys the before when I start doing the process of the room reveal. And here is a quick look into the game room. Now the rug has come in. I'll do another video hauling that. I have started moving the rug. All of this stuff is going to be gone by the weekend, so I'm really excited about that. And I am just going to turn here really quickly. And now I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the measurements. Okay, so from wall to wall, it is 214 from wall to wall, and it measured at 155. So 155 is right here. $178. So 178 is this way here. Are you guys excited? OMG! I'm like really excited to see the space come together. So I'm gonna be changing the paint in that room. I want something a little bit lighter, a little bit brighter, because I am gonna be putting some stuff on the wall, and I don't want the room to seem too cluttered or even seem like smaller than what it really is. I have someone coming in to do crown molding, so I'm really excited about that. I've ordered a rug, I've ordered ornament. The space is really going to come together, and I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. OMG, like, I'm really excited. I want to say thank you so very much, number one, to Ashley Homestore again for working with me on a second collab. And you guys already know how this works, right? If you're new to my channel, last year when I collabed with Ashley Homestore, I recorded the process on my channel, and then you guys went to Ashley Homestore's YouTube channel to find me on their content channel. So I'm just really excited. So yeah, I really want to thank Ashley Homestore for another collab. It means a lot when a company comes to you for a second time of a collaboration. It basically says that they really cared and loved your content the first time, which really means a lot to me. And I want to thank you guys for supporting me, because you guys really made this happen. You guys always like my content, you watch my content, and anytime my stuff get reposted, you guys are definitely there. And I want to say thank you so very much. I told you guys 2018 was a year of no excuses. We're gonna be doing my birthday. But anyway, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.